If you've ever wondered how to see quotes on X.com, formerly Twitter, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you the exact steps to find quote posts for any tweet, so you can see who is talking about it, replying with context, or sharing their own take. This is a super useful trick for research, tracking engagement, or just exploring what people are saying about a post. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open X.com or Twitter and find the tweet you want to check. Click directly on the tweet to open it in full view. This is important because the quote options won't be as easy to access if you're just looking at the tweet in your feed. Once the tweet is open, look to the top right corner of the tweet box. You should see the three dots menu, also known as the More Options button. Click those three dots to open the drop-down menu. From that menu, select View Post Activity. This takes you into the post analytics and engagement view for that tweet. Here, X shows you different ways people are interacting with the post. You may see replies, reposts, likes, and other activity depending on the account and the post itself. What you want to look for is the Quotes tab. Click on the Quotes tab, and now you will be able to see all the public posts that are quoting that tweet. These are the users who shared the post with their own commentary attached. This is especially useful if you want to understand the conversation around a tweet, see reactions from other users, or find extra context that isn't visible in the original post. Keep in mind that you'll only see public quote posts that X makes available through this view. If someone quoted the post privately or their account is restricted, it may not appear here. But for most public tweets, this is the fastest and easiest way to check quote activity without searching manually. So to recap, open the tweet in full view, click the three dots, choose View Post Activity, and then open the Quotes tab. That's it. Now you know how to see X.com or Twitter quotes in just a few clicks. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.